Here, what's this? What's this? What is it? What is it? You get the toy, you kill it. Yeah, you kill the toy. You kill the Santa dog. That's a good girl. What are you doing? Have you got it? Are you going to bring it? What you doing? I know, you can hear your brothers and sisters. Never mind, here, what's this? Good girl. Toy. What's this? What's this? Come here, you. What's that? Here's a ball. Look, what's this ball? What are you doing? Get it. There's air coming out the bottom of this thing, so she's like, what is that? You gonna get it? Look, what's that? What's that? Oh, you'd rather chew on my shirt. Yes, I don't think so. Oh, love bug. Hi, baby. Good girl. Oh, yes. Good girl, Pearl. Oh, breakdancing dog. Breakdancing dog. Yes. Want to fall? What you doing? You keep coming back for more, do ya? Yeah, sweetheart. Nope. No. She goes, but no bite. Good girl. That's good. Very good. What a clever girl. No bite. I know, you're just so cheeky. You're so cheeky. Yes, you are. You're so cheeky. Yeah, you kill that toy. You get the toy. Back for more. Yes. Rub, 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 rub. Here. Here's another one. You get the toy. You get it. Hi, babe. Hello. Are you happy? You're a pretty happy girl. I know, but you're chewing. Yes, you are chewing, and you need to chew on things that are not fingers. Not fingers and hands. Nope. Have your toy. What's this? Do you need to go outside? Do you need to go outside? Should we go outside? Okay. Let's go. Let's go outside. Come on, Pearl. Come. Let's go. You gonna go out? Hey, Papa. You've got things to play with out here, don't you? Yes. Hello, baby.